are going to love the 2017 Volkswagen CC. Volkswagen CC, it's what's on the outside that counts. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, security system, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.